Good morning, children. Today we will do some questions of your book exercise. Children, you have to write the answers of this question in your book only. So, first of all, we will do some multiple choice question. It means you have to take the correct option. First question is, the process of rearing silkworm is called. Options are given here: sericulture, horticulture, apiculture and agriculture. The process of rearing silkworm is called sericulture. It means first A option is correct one. Now move to the second question. Why do traffic policemen wear white uniform with reflective surfaces? And options are: to make them easily visible, to make them visible especially at night, to make them look different, or to make them look good. The traffic policemen wear white uniforms with reflective surfaces to make them visible, especially at night. Option B is correct. Reflective surfaces, surfaces of white uniform make them visible in dark. So option B is correct one. Third question. High altitude units wear white uniforms with, and options are given here: wool filling, nylon filling, silk filling and polyester filling. So the uniform have high altitude units with polyester filling. Option D is correct one. Fourth question. Fibers that are obtained from plants and animal are called. Options are: natural fiber, mixed fiber, elastic fiber and synthetic fiber. So option A is correct one, natural fiber, because the fibers which are obtained from living organism like plants and animal are called natural fiber. So option A is correct one. Now fifth question. The source of wool is, and options are: sheep, pig, horse and cow. So we obtained wool from the hair of sheep. So A option is correct one. Now sixth question. The device hand spindle that is used to make thread is called, and options are: needle, charkha, tackli, loom. So hand spindle is used to make the thread from is called tackli. Option C is correct one. Okay. Seventh question. The botanical name of cotton plant is, and options are: Gossypium hirsutum, Ageratum species, Hibiscus rosa sinensis and Fucales. So botanical name of the cotton plant is Gossypium hirsutum. Option A is correct. Eighth question. The process of separating cotton threads from seeds is called, and the options given: spinning, ginning, knitting and weaving. So the process of separating cotton threads from the seeds is called ginning. Option B is correct one. The yarns that are placed lengthwise on the frames are called. Options: walls, yarn belt, yarn pad or warps. So yarn that are placed lengthwise on the frame are called warps. Option D is correct one. Now 10th question. The process by which jute fibers are separated from the jute plant is called. Options are: retting, softening, processing, separation. The process by which jute fibers are separated from the jute plant is called retting. Option A is correct one. That's all about multiple choice question. Now move to the next question. Fill in the blanks. Okay, first is knitting and weaving are different processes. So you can write different there. Second sentence, the cotton cloths are made up of dash fibers. The cotton cloths are made up of cotton fibers. Third one, a fireman's uniform should be dash. The fireman's uniform should be heat or flame resistance. Firemen working near the places where there is the more chances of catching fire, so that their uniform must be fire or flame resistance. So you can write here heat or flame resistant. Fourth sentence, jute bags are eco-friendly because they are biodegradable. Biodegradable means they are breaking down naturally and replenishes the nutrients back to the soil, so that jute bags are eco-friendly products. They are made from natural fiber, naturally occurring fiber. So you can write in the blank biodegradable. Okay. Fifth sentence is, in summer we wear dash clothes because, okay, so in summer we wear white cotton clothes because it absorbs sweat. Cotton cloths is naturally cotton cloths are made from natural fiber cotton, and that is very soft and comfortable to wear. So in summer season we are sweating a lot, so we have to use cotton cloths because it absorbs sweat. Okay. Now move to the next question. True, right or wrong. Tick the right tick for correct and cross the wrong sentence. First sentence, in summer we wear dark and thick woolen clothes. It is very wrong sentence. In summer we have to wear very light cotton clothes, not woolen clothes. Okay. Second one, synthetic clothes are not safe to wear in the kitchen. Yes, it is correct sentence, because synthetic clothes can catch fire very easily, so we have to wear cotton cloths, not synthetic cloths in the kitchen. Okay. Third sentence, cotton clothes absorb water more easily. Yes, it is correct sentence. Cotton cloths are have quality to absorb the water more easily. Okay. Now move to the next, fourth one. Jute fibers are used only for making bags. Jute fibers are used for make variety of material, not only bags. So it is wrong sentence. Okay. Now, early man cultivated cotton crops. Yes, early man was cultivated cotton crops. Cotton, say sixth one, cotton is made in factories. It is wrong sentence. Cotton cloths is made in factories. Cotton is plant. It is not. It is cultivated in the farm, not in factories. Okay, seventh one, we can easily use coconut fiber for making clothes. It is wrong sentence. Coconut fibers can be used for making ropes and wires, not for clothes. Now move to the next question. Match the following. In the first column, the options are given here: cotton balls, rating, warp and weft, and children's clothing material. And in column B, the options are given: arrangement of the yarn in loom, part of the plant, cotton fabric, and jute fiber. Okay, now we will match it. So cotton balls are the part of a plant. You can match it likewise. Rating is the process of separation of jute fibers from the plant. So you can match it likewise. Warp and weft are the arrangement of the yarn in loom. Okay. And children's clothing material should be made up of cotton fabric. Okay. So you have to match it likewise. Now move to the next question, children. Answer the following question in one word. Okay, the first question is, name the fiber obtained from the phloem tissues of a plant. So answer is jute fiber. Jute fiber is also called bast fiber because it obtained from the phloem tissues or skin of the plant. Move to the next question. What type of climate and soil are required for growing cotton? So for the cotton, hot and sunny climate is required, and in black soil is good for cotton crop. Okay. Third one, which property of synthetic fiber make them ideal for making ropes? So high tensile strength. Answer is high tensile strength is the property of synthetic fiber make them ideal for making ropes. Next question. Name the material used for making jeans. So cotton material, cotton fabric is used for making jeans. Fifth question. Which type of soil is required for growing jute? Jute grow in alluvial soil. So alluvial soil is best for jute. Next question. What are synthetic fibers made of? Actually, synthetic fibers are made of plastics, and plastics are made from petroleum products. So plastic and petroleum product is the answer. Okay. Seventh question. How do woolen clothes keeps us warm in winter? Woolen clothes does not allow the body heat to escape, so that it keeps us warm in winter. It traps the heat inside. It does not allow the body heat to escape away, so that it keeps us warm in winter. Okay. Now move to the next question. Name the apparatus used for producing fabric from yarn. So nowadays machines are used to make the fabric, but handloom and power looms also used for producing fabric from the yarn. Okay, that's all about our book exercise. All these questions you have to write directly in the book, children. Okay, that's all for today. Goodbye.